lovely folks of Desi Maple Life. Today we are stepping into the wonderful world of home decor, but with a twist. You see, as much as I'd love to go all out and transform every nook and cranny of our new home into a Pinterest worthy paradise, reality check, we have got to be smart with our spending. With a fresh home and car purchase under our belts, my husband and I are on a mission to decorate our space without breaking the bank. We are all about prioritizing the essentials and getting creative with our budget friendly finds. So join us as we navigate through furniture stores and decor shops, hunting for those must have pieces that will turn our house into a home, one savvy choice at a time. Let's make magic happen without emptying our wallets. Ready to join the adventure? Picture this. Stepping into our new home, we were met with nothing but empty rooms and endless possibilities. With no furniture in sight, we faced our first challenge: where to sleep. For 3 days, we made do with an air mattress, tossing and turning in discomfort as we longed for a proper bed to rest our weary bodies. On the fourth day, enter Amazon, our savior in the form of a mattress delivery. But the journey to that mattress was no walk in the park. We checked out different mattress shops, looking for a quick delivery. But everywhere we turned, there were delays or extra fees for delivery. With no car yet, we had to choose wisely. In the end, Amazon was the best bet, offering quick delivery and no extra charges. For the bed, we explored various options, both online and offline. I had a specific vision for my bed. I wanted it to be simple yet elegant, with a cloth headboard rather than just wood. Additionally, I preferred a dark color for the bed. So after searching extensively, we found the perfect match at Structube. We placed our order on February 2nd and received delivery on February 9th. While the delivery wasn't super fast, it was acceptable. Upon delivery, we had to assemble the bed ourselves. The first step was to move all the parts upstairs from the living room to the bedroom. Then we spent a considerable amount of time assembling it. However, the end result was exactly what we had hoped for. After setting up our bed, my husband Tanush decided to add a personal touch to our bedroom by ordering a printed bedsheet from Amazon. Tired of the plain single color sheets, I was excited for the change. The set came with 4 pieces, one flat sheet, one fitted sheet, and 2 pillowcases. We found it to be a great value for money, and it brought the refreshing change I had been longing for. After getting the mattress and bed sorted, our next big hurdle was setting up our workspace. Now, as some of you might already know, I was making do with my kitchen slab as my makeshift desk. But let me tell you, it wasn't the most comfortable setup. In the meantime, we bought our car, making shopping much easier in Calgary. So, the first thing we did was head to IKEA to find a good desk for setting up our workspace. After browsing through the options, we found one we liked and brought it home. Now, as anyone who has bought furniture from IKEA knows, assembling it yourself requires a calm mind and plenty of time. My husband took on the challenge and worked hard to set up my workstation. However, Once everything was set up, I realized the color of the desk didn't quite match our vision. We had initially chosen a grey desk, but with my bed arriving shortly after, it became clear that the colors didn't complement each other at all. Feeling that a white desk would better complement the blue bed, and realizing the desk was a bit too long for the room, we decided to exchange it. Off we went to IKEA again, this time opting for white desk that perfectly fit the room and allowed me to work comfortably. It was a journey of trial and error, but in the end we found the perfect setup for our home office. Alongside these additions, Tanu surprised me with an office chair ordered from Amazon. I instantly fell in love with it, especially because it offers much needed neck support. As someone who occasionally experiences neck pain from long hours of work, this chair provides the comfort and support I need. And that's the current state of our bedroom. I believe it's looking pretty good for now and meets all my needs perfectly. Next on our list for furnishing our home was a sofa. We casually searched both online and offline, checking out stores like IKEA, Structube, Wayfair, Amazon, and more. Since sitting was an immediate requirement for our living room, we were eager to find the perfect sofa. That's when we came across Leon, a furniture store with a great selection of sofas online. Captivated, we decided to visit their store to see the sofas in person. Upon arrival, we were presented with several options to choose from. While we liked quite a few, we ultimately decided on a particular sofa set, the 3 plus 2 seater. We placed the order, and to our surprise, the 3 seater was delivered the very next day. However, the 2 seater will take a few months to arrive as it's currently out of stock. We were okay with the delivery date as the 3 seater alone met our immediate needs. You can see the sofa for yourself. It's incredibly comfortable to sit on, and we absolutely love the color. To add a touch of homey warmth to our living room, I decided to make a few purchases while keeping my minimalist approach in mind. After much consideration, I opted for a vase stand and a flower pot from Marshall's. I wanted to enhance the space without breaking the bank, as I plan to gradually add more items over time. These two additions give the room a clean and cute vibe that I adore. For the sofa, I purchased two cushions and their covers from IKEA, drawn to the charming print on the covers. With these pieces in place, my living room now has a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Of course, there are still pending items on my to do list, such as getting a rug under the sofa and a TV stand for the living room. Additionally, we are eagerly awaiting the arrival of our belongings from Toronto. I'll be sure to keep you all updated as we continue to settle into our new home. In the meantime, if any of you have suggestions or store recommendations, please feel free to share them with us. We are still navigating our way around Calgary and are open to any ideas or advice you may have. Your input is valuable to us as we embark on this journey of decorating our own space. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Bye bye for now.